Hello students, welcome back to Statistics by Savita. Today I am discussing about a 10 marks questions. The section D. Section D in the question paper you are having as a section D 10 marks that you have to solve any two, but this year they are giving a 5 questions. If you have to solve any two, you are getting as a 20 marks over there. Okay, and the first one and second one question is univariate data only. Univariate only. The third question is bivariate, and the fourth question is a probability and random variable. It is a mix of probability and random variable. In the model question paper, they given as a first question as find mean and mode for the following distribution. Find mean and mode. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸಲಿ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೇನಿತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಕೇಸು ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲೇ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ the x bar, that is a mean. Mean how to calculate? That is, you have to calculate it as a midpoint first. Midpoint x you have to take it, then f into x you have to take it, then x bar is equals to summation of fx divided by capital N you have to take it. Summation of fx divided by this capital N. Capital N is equals to the total of frequency. You have to calculate it directly because no way they ask as a use a step deviation method or a shortcut method. They ask directly calculate mean and mode of the following data. Then you have to calculate directly summation of fx divided by capital N. Okay, this is for mean. Then you have to calculate it as a mode. Then what is the formula of mode? Then L plus F1 minus Fm minus F1 divided by 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 into a C. Okay. The Fm is a here. In this, whatever the values is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 50, 40 to 50. The frequency is given as a 12, 18, 25, 15 and 5. Where 25 is there, 25 means the highest frequency. The highest frequency is, the class interval is 20 to 30. 20 to 30 class interval you have to take it. And you are substituting all the values in the formula, that is a 20 plus then Fm you have to take it as a 25 and the previous you have to take it, this one is Fm and this one is F1 and this one is F2. The previous preceding you have to consider it as F1 and this one is F2. You have a 25 minus 18 divided by 2 into 25 minus 18 minus 15 into what is the width of the class interval, that you have to take it as a C, that is a 10. After calculating this is equals to the answer will come as a 24.1176 and this one is x bar is equals to 22.7 and this one is a 24.1176. You have to calculate directly the mean and mode. They may ask us sometimes the mean and median. The mean, median and mode. The discrete case they will give, or a class interval simple problem they give, and calculate mean and median and mode for a 10 marks problem. You have to be, one is from central tendency. Second one question, what they ask, that is a CV question, that is the number of runs scored by batsman A and B in a different innings is as follows. Then who is a better run scorer and who is a more consistent? these type of questions, they just you observe students here, nowhere they asked as a CV, coefficient of variation, but you have to calculate coefficient of variation only, because who is a better run scorer and who is a more consistent. Who is a more consistent means you have to calculate a coefficient of variation here. Then what is given? Usually they give a and B. ಇಂಥದ್ದೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, then you have to take first as a batsman A only you have to take it. Batsman A's you have to take it. Then okay, A you have to take it, that is a X. Then you have to take it as a X square, you have to take it. Okay, then X square, X you have to take, and square you have to take it. For this values only, ಇದು X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ X square ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, okay, here the X will be there giving that A values you have to take it as X, and that square of that values you have to take it as X square. Then X bar of A is equals to summation of X, means the summation of this X, summation of X divided by number of values you have to calculate here. Then after calculating this one, you have to calculate it as a sigma. Sigma is equals to, you know the formula of sigma, that is a summation of X square divided by N minus sum of X divided by N whole square. Sum of X divided by N whole square. X square is this one, X square divided by number of values minus summation of X divided by N whole square. You have to calculate this one. Okay, X bar and sigma, after calculating these two values, you have to take it as a CV. CV is equals to sigma divided by X bar into 100. Sigma divided by X bar into 100 for, this is for A, you have to calculate CV of A and keep it as it is here. Then the same way you have to calculate it as a B, that is a B. B also you have to take it as a Y value, then Y square value, or otherwise you can take it as a X also here also. Then if you have to calculate it as a Y bar is equals to summation of Y divided by N, you have to calculate that is a mean. Then standard deviation you have to calculate, that is a sigma is equals to summation of Y square divided by N minus sum of Y divided by N whole square. This you have to calculate. After calculating this one, CV you have to calculate, CV of B, that is sigma by Y bar into 100. Y bar, or otherwise you can take it illu X anta tagobodu ನೀವು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ X illu X anta tagobodu, because this is a B, the batsman, this batsman andalla, or who is a run scorer. Okay, batsman you have to take it as a B, this you have to calculate. After calculating this one, the question is who is a better run scorer. Who is a better run scorer means you have to compare here as X bar and Y bar. The batsman A is a better run scorer. Which one is highest? That you have to highest mean. That is a better scorer. You have to write it. Which one is highest, and the one more is more consistent. Consistent is, which one is the lowest? More consistent you have to take it as a, which one is the lowest CV, that you have to take it as a more consistent. Lowest CV you have to take it as a more consistent. Okay, this you have to, CV problem is a very very important. ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲ CV problem ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, the third one is, that is a bowler's coefficient of skewness. ಬೌಲೆಸ್ ಕೊಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂನೆಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂನೆಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೌಲೆಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ತೋರ್ಸೇನ. ಬೌಲೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ that is a quartiles based on quartiles. Then what is given? CI is given. You have to take it. The frequency you have to take it. The LCF you have to calculate. LCF you have to calculate. Then you have to calculate as a Q1 is equals to 1n by 4. Okay. Then you are getting a one class interval that if it comes in between this, then you are taking a one class interval. Then Q1 is equals to L plus 1n by 4 minus CF divided by F into a C. You have to calculate Q1. The same way you have to calculate it as a Q2 also and Q3. Q2 is equals to 2n by 4. 2n by 4 you have to calculate, and Q2 also you have to calculate by using this formula L plus 2n by 4 minus CF divided by F into a C. The same Q3 you have to calculate the same 3n by 4 because quartile means divided by 4. Then after calculating this one, you have to take a formula of Bowley's coefficient of skewness, that is S is equals to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1. All after calculating this all you have to substitute it in the formula, but you have to be careful. You have to be careful all the values when you are calculating. Okay. Then skewness value is also comes in between -1 and +1, or otherwise either it is a positive skewness or it is a negative skewness. Here it comes as a positive skewness only. S is equals to 0.24 is the answer here. This question, Bowley's coefficient of skewness. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. Okay. Then the fourth question. That is fourth question is the question number is 49 one. 49th is the regression is given. Okay. The regression, that is a regression or correlation they may ask. The x values, the class interval is given, and here the y values are there. Okay, here the some class intervals are there. Okay, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಅನಿಸ್ತದ. ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಮೂರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಮೊದಲ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್, ಈಗ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. Any 3 questions you have to be perfect. Out of any 3 you have to do it any 2, and 1 extra you have to do it. Here the values is given and the frequencies are given. Okay, then you have to calculate it as a frequency. Here the total frequency you have to take it. Okay, then the next one is a midpoint. You have to take it if class interval is there. The midpoint x. Here also the midpoint x, y. Okay. Then after calculating, if you want, you can calculate as a u. If have to take it, that is a x minus a divided by c. Then v is equals to y minus b divided by c. You have to calculate as a next column. Calculate a next column. Okay. Then f into u. here f into v if have to calculate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ f frequency v ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ frequency ಮತ್ತು u calculate ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. x minus a means if have to assume one value, if have to assume one value over here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು value ನೀವು assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x midpoint ಒಳಗ. divide by c means the width of the class interval. c means the width of the class interval. Okay, then f into u, f into v, you are calculating. The last column is, it's a very important, that is f into u into v. f into u into v how to take? ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗೋದು. f into u into v ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ the frequencies are given separate. Okay, the frequencies are there in the column. If have to take it, this u and v and this independent frequency if have to calculate, and if have to write it in the corner side. What you have to calculate? U, v and this frequency, or otherwise if f, u and v if have to calculate and write it in the corner side. Then you are adding this corner side values here, the total of this rows and the total of this columns you have to write it. It comes the same answer here as a FUV values. ಇಲ್ಲಿ FUV values ನಿಮಗೆ same ಬರ್ತದೆ, that is a check. You have to check it over here. After calculating this one FUV, then you have to calculate it as a x bar, that is x bar is equals to UV and you used, that's why a plus summation of FU divided by n, capital N into a C you have to calculate. Then x bar is equals to a plus summation of fu divided by capital N into C. Then y bar is equals to b plus summation of fv divided by capital N into C. You have to calculate here. Because it is a regression, x on y and y on x you have to calculate here. Then you have to calculate it as a bxy. Bxy is equals to n into capital N into summation of FUV minus summation of FU into summation of FV divided by capital N into summation of, here it is a U and this one is V. That's why you have to, V is the second value. That's why you have to take it FU square minus summation of FV whole square. You have to take a formula here. Then the same byx means V and U it is. Capital N into summation of FUV. The numerator is same. The summation of FU into summation of FV divided by capital N into summation of FU square minus summation of FU whole square. After calculating this one, the x on y if have to take it. Okay, what is given in the question? X on y only. You have x on y only, and then not necessary to calculate this one. If have to calculate only this one, x on y is x minus x bar is equals to bxy into y minus y bar. You have to take it. Just you are substituting x bar value and bxy value and y bar value, and you are getting a one equation over here. This you have to calculate like that. Okay, this is over. This is fourth question is over. 49th question this one. Next one is a 50th question. 50th question, that is a fifth question, that is a bivariate x on y coefficient of correlation. The one more question they ask as a coefficient of correlation. Okay, then in your final exam ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಐದರ್ ಕೋರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ from the following bivariate x and y coefficient of correlation between x and y. It is a random variable chapter. Then x y is given, the sum of the values is given. Okay. Then you have to take it as a marginal. Marginal means you have to take it as x values, and there the total of p of x, what is given, p of x, you have to take it here. Okay, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 is there, x values. Okay, we have to take here the x values 0, 10, 20 is given. Here the 1, 2 and 3 is given. Here whatever the given here in the table, you have to take a total of that. Total of that is that you have to do, the first one is 1, 2, 3, total is here 0 0.2, 0 0.4 and 0 0.4. Okay, here total, this total you have to take it, afterwards we will take 0 0.2, 0 0.4 and this is 0 0.4. Okay, this is x values. Okay, that total 1, 2, 3 and this total you have to write it. Then what you have to calculate? You have to calculate here as a find the coefficient of correlation between x and y. For that, the variance of x you needed, the expectation of x, that is summation of x into p of x. Summation of x into p of x is that you have to take it as x values. Okay, 1 into 0 0.2, 2 into 0 0.4 and 3 into 0 0.4. Then you are multiplying with this and you are adding x into p of x, that is 1 into 0 0.2 plus 2 into 0 0.4 plus 3 into 0 0.4. That you have to calculate and you are getting as a one answer here. Then expectation of x square you have to calculate here. Expectation of x square means summation of x square into p of x. What is x square? X square you have to square, you have to take a square of these values. Then 1 square into 0 0.2 plus 2 square into 0 0.4 plus 3 square into 0 0.4 you have to take it. That we are getting as a 5.4 as a value. 5.4 as a value. Okay. Then expectation after expectation of x, the variance of x is equals to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. This expectation of x square is 5.4 minus 2.2 square. You have to take it. That is 2.2 square is 2.84 value. 5.4 minus 4.84, then you are getting as a one value 0.56. Then variance of x after calculating the standard deviation of x, that is equals to a square root of variance of x. You have to take it as a 0.53, that is the standard deviation of the square root of this value. Then you are getting as a 0.74. Then the same way you have to calculate the marginal. This you have to keep it as it is. Then the marginal distribution of y value, y into p of y, you have to take it. That is a 0, 10 and 20. That marginal, the total, you have to take it as a, this you have to take it as a 0.3. Okay, 0. This is totally is 0.4 and this total is 0.3. The marginal values you have to take it as 0.4 and this one is a 0.3. Then the same expectation of y you have to calculate, expectation of y square you have to calculate. Okay, then variance of y is equals to the expectation of y square minus expectation of y whole square. You have to calculate this one. Okay, after calculating this one, you have to take a standard deviation of square root of variance of y. Just I calculated here that the value it comes as variance of y, that is after getting this one is 7.74. That 60 it comes, that 60 variance of y is equals to that square root of that. Then this is the one more that is r is equals to, that is a covariance of xy divided by sigma x into sigma y. Sigma x we calculated, this is a sigma y it is. Sigma x is we calculated, but the covariance of x comma y is equals to that is we have to calculate it as a expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y. What is the expectation of xy? Xy is equals to summation of xy into p of x y comma y. That is square root of the expectation of xy is equals to, you have to calculate this one, xy. Xy is 0. That you have to go on taking the values. Xy into p of xy, that the sum after calculating this one we are getting as some value, that is a 20. Then the covariance of xy is equals to expectation of xy, x into y, expectation minus expectation of x into expectation of y. Then if have to take it as this is 20 and this one is 22. This one expectation of x into expectation of y, we are multiplying these two values, expectation of x, and then we are getting as a minus 2 is a value. Then r is equals to, that is a covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x and sigma y. What we calculated values, just we are substituting the values, that is a minus 2 into 0.74 into a 7.74 is that value we have to substitute it in the formula. Then we are getting as some values, some answer, negative answer we are getting. R is equals to, that is a correlation. This is a correlation. This completes your that is a 10 marks question. 10 marks questions is completed. Better you do it as a first 3 questions. ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಎನಿ 2 you have to calculate out of 5, but I showed here all the 5 how to calculate. Okay, then the section E you have to calculate any 2, 5 marks and 2 you have to calculate. Here they are giving as a 5 questions that carries a 10 marks over here. 10 marks. The first one, the first 51th question is a guarantee, that is a blank table or data table. Blank table is given here. The blank table or the some data will be given, that data table is you have to calculate. That ಈಗ blank table you can calculate. Data table ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ? Data table easy ಅದಾವ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗು ಅಥವಾ ಟೀ ಡ್ರಿಂಕಿಂಗ್, that type of the some values is given in the textbook. It is given a simple examples. You have to practice that simple examples. Okay, the blank table, usually the 90% they give a blank table only. Okay, that blank table, the 3 characteristics are here. One is a college, second one is a faculty, and third one is a gender. Okay, the 3 characteristics is given. Then you have to take the first, you have to write a title over here. Title baritiri, table number you have to write it, title you have to write it. Then you have to fit here ಐದರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೋರಿ. ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್. Then gender you can take it as a boys, girls, total. Boys, girls, total. Boys, girls, total. Okay. Here that is you have to take it as a government, aided and unaided. You have to write it clearly. Okay. Otherwise if you are writing a short form, you have to write it in the footnote over here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ ನೋಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫುಟ್ ನೋಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ ನೋಟ್ here, that is a footnote, and source you have to write it. And il B, what is B? That is a boys. G means that is a girls, and T means a total. You have to write it here. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಫುಟ್ ನೋಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ದೆನ್ 52, ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 52 ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಪೈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್. ಪೈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್, ದ ಪೈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. Okay. Expenses is given, and you have to calculate the angle. How to calculate the angle? Angle you have to calculate that the individual value divided by total value into 360 degree you have to calculate. The individual value, okay, this is a total value. Divide into 360 you have to calculate. After calculating this, it comes as a 360 total. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ 359 ಅಥವಾ 58 ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ 360. ದೆನ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಪಾಸ್ you have to draw one pi diagram, and you have to take it by using a compass here. Okay. And radius also, radius you have to mention it, radius either to 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter, anything what you are taking, according to that you have to take it. And you have to, this is a 3 centimeter. Then keep it and calculate all the values in the diagram. Okay. This is a second question of 5 marks question, that is a practical oriented question. Then the third one is the mean and standard deviation. Third one, 53, question number 53. The mean and standard deviation of a distribution of 100 and 150 items is 50 and 5 and 40 and 6 respectively. Okay, what is given? Find the combined standard deviation ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡೆವಿಯೇಷನ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡೆವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಾಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡೆವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡೆವಿಯೇಷನ್. ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ n1 sigma 1 square plus d1 square here plus n2 into sigma 2 square plus d2 square divided by n1 plus n2. n1 plus n2 you have to take it here. Then you are substituting how to calculate a d1 d2 sigma 1 sigma 2 sigma 1 here what is given, n1 is given, sigma 1 is given, d1 is equals to x1 bar minus x bar. Okay, and n2 is given, sigma 2 is given, and d2 is equals to x2 bar minus x bar you have to calculate. And x bar c actually x bar c is equals to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. You have to calculate this. You have to calculate first then d1 you have to d2, sigma 1 sigma 2 is given, n1 n2 is given. Okay, then you are substituting it in this combined standard deviation formula. Combined standard deviation formula ದಾಗ ನೀವು substitute ಮಾಡಿ calculate. first you have to clear the bracket, afterwards you have to multiply and you have to take a square root of this value. Okay, then 54th question. 54th question is, a purse contain 4 silver and 2 gold coins. Another purse contains 3 silver and 4 gold coins. If a coin is selected at random from one of the two purses, what is the probability that it is a silver coin? Okay, a purse contain, that is silver coin, getting a silver coin you have to take it. Okay, P here, probability of getting a silver coin. Coin is equals to m divided by n. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು probability 4c1, that is a 1 silver coin, divided by total how many are there, 6c1, into getting a silver coin, that is the one more is there, that is another purse contain, that is 3c1, divided by how many, 3 plus 4, that is a 7c1. Okay, 7c1 you have to calculate here. 4 divided by 6 into 3 divided by 7 only. You have to calculate only this much. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ 4c1 and 3c1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ತಗೋತಿದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಅಂದಾರಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ 4c1 divided by 6c1 into 3c1 divided by 7c1. Okay, this is the answer you have to calculate and write the answer. Then the last question, that is a 55, question number 55. What is a box contains 8 items and 8 items of which 2 are defective. A man selects 3 items. Find the expected number of defective items in the selection. Okay, this is also a probability sum. Okay, the first one is here the items number of defectives. Find the expected andara, expected number of items andara. Okay, first we have to calculate the defective items, denote the number of defective items than the x takes values. Okay, that if have to take it as a 0, either 1 and 2. Okay, the probability of 0 effective means here according to this if have to take it as a 6c0 into 2c0 divided by total is 6c3, because the 8 items are there, 8 items of which 2 are defective. A man selects 3 items. Find the expected number of defective items in the selection. The total is 6d plus 2d. Defective items, that is a, okay, here 6c3. Why 6 means here the total 8 items are there. In that out of 6 items 2 are defective. 2 are defective means that is a 6, that is 6c3. It may be a 6c3 into a 2c0 divided by total is 8c3. You have to take it. P of 1 is equals to, that is 6c2 and 2, it may be a 2c1 divided by 8c3. If have to take it. The one more is P of 2 is equals to 6c1 into 2c2, it may be, divided by 8c3. If have to take it. That answers, if have to calculate the answers here, that you have to write it all the 3 answers. Then expected, that is x and 0, this is 1 and 2. that is a probability of x. The probability of x is, it is a 0, 1, 2, what answer you are getting, that answer you have to write it, and the expectation of x you have to calculate. That is, expectation of x is equals to summation of x into p of x is a formula. That formula, in the formula, x into this whatever it comes, that the 0 into that p of x plus 1 into that value plus 2 into that value, we have to write it. What the answer you are getting, that answer you are writing, and you are calculating the answer. That is expectation of x is a answer. And this is a 55 question number. 55 is a expectation of x, the random variable you have to calculate. Okay, better you calculate the first two only. And the first one is a blank table usually, and the second one is a diagram, any one diagram or graph, it is graphical. Okay, this completes your the model question paper, girls, students. Okay, all the best for your examination. Do well, and thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like and comment the video.